Marshall's in it. You're the turn, leaving live. Henry to be out front, silver and yellow. Marcus going to be second to pick. Johnson going to be third, all white. One going to be fourth.
Come on, dude.
Marcus flipping the plate.
No, I didn't. I got spun out. That's bullshit.
Wait, 10 minutes, Marcus. Keep up there.
Watch the grid, watch the grid, watch the grid, watch the grid, watch the grid. Okay, Frank Henry going to come down the grid. Marcus going to be second. Jeff going to be third, Nick going to be fourth, Juan going to be fifth, Matt going to be sixth, Duffy going to be seventh, Russell going to be eighth. 1 minute down, 9 minutes to go. Henry going to be out front, Marcus going to be second, Jeff going to be third, Johnson going to be fourth, Juan going to be fifth, Duffy going to be sixth, Matt going to be seventh, Russell going to be eighth, 8:30 to go, drivers. Leader in the all silver, Marcus in the pink, yellow, and orange. Jeff in the red, yellow, and green. Juan coming under the double, Johnson in the all white and yellow. Duffy in the green, Matt in the blue, silver, and black. Russell breaking. 2 minutes down, 8 minutes to go. Jenny going to be out front, Marcus going to be second, Juan going to be third, Jeff going to be fourth, Johnson fifth, Matt sixth, Duffy seventh, Brandon going to be eighth. 6:45 to go. Leaders coming down the grid. Watch it up the corner, watch it up the corner. Marcus going to be second. Jeff going to move to third, Juan back to fourth, Johnson fifth, Matt sixth, Duffy seventh. Brandon going to be eighth. 6:20 to go. Jenny going to be out front, Marcus going to be second, Juan going to be third, Jeff going to be fourth, Matt going to be fifth, Johnson sixth, Duffy seventh, Brandon going to be eighth.
Hey, D, you need a stiffer spring up front. Got the orange on there.
4:30 down, 5:30 to go, drivers.
Starring is ridiculous. As soon as you touch it, it'll turn. Does it feel a little better?
It's still really loose in the back though.
Jeff in the 4th, Mac in the 5th, Johnson 6th, Fluffy in the 7th, Brandon in the 8th.
He needs it.
Six minutes down, 4 minutes to go. Danny gonna be out front, Marcus 2nd, Long gonna be 3rd, Matt 4th, Jeff 5th, Johnson 6th, Duffy 7th, Brandon gonna be 8th.
You guys linked up really
Danny gonna be out front, Marcus gonna be 2nd, Long gonna be 3rd, Jeff gonna be 4th, Matt 5th, Johnson 6th, Duffy gonna be 7th, Brandon gonna be 8th. Jeff ready to go.
I'm not either, dude. I'm just racing my car, dude. Damn.
Yeah, he took me out for a corner. I like that shit.
2nd, Long gonna be 3rd, Jeff gonna be 4th, Matt 5th, Duffy 6th, Nick gonna be 7th, Brandon gonna be 8th. Seconds to go. Danny gonna be out front, Marcus gonna be 2nd, Long gonna be 3rd, Matt gonna be 4th, Jeff 5th, Duffy 6th.
All right, Jeff.
Jeff is done. Brandon's done. All right, everybody